For photography lovers who can't always bring a bulky camera everywhere, a professional grip like this is definitely something to think about. The Xiaomi 17 Ultra flagship professional camera kit is a solid choice. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. When you open the box, the experience feels much cleaner this time. At first glance, you only see the phone case and the grip, but once you look closer, there's more tucked away underneath, including a well-made lanyard, a wrist strap, an adapter ring, and a metal shutter button. Everything feels premium. Let's put it together. You start by fitting the side with the volume and power buttons. The protective case has a very fine texture with a slightly rough touch that feels great in the hand. The overall design leans heavily toward a camera-like style. It's very non-slip for daily use and actually feels good even when used on its own. Next, you attach the rest of the protective case. This part is quite versatile with a soft flocked lining inside. Installation is simple. Just snap it on and it's ready. The grip itself includes a built-in power bank that can charge the Xiaomi 17 Ultra. Since the grip is compact, the battery capacity isn't huge, but the charging options are well thought out. You can choose to have it charge only when the phone battery is low, or you can set it to charge continuously when connected, and it supports fast charging. Overall, the design feels very complete and carefully planned. If you want to use professional filters later on, swapping them is easy. You just remove the existing one and install the new filter. Press and hold the button, attach the lanyard, and suddenly it really starts to feel like a camera in your hands. Now let's talk about how it works. By long pressing the shutter button, you can jump straight into shooting mode. You can also customize it so that pressing the shutter triggers photos, videos, portraits, or street photography modes. If you're heading out for street shooting, you can start instantly with a single press, which is very convenient. The settings closely resemble what you'd expect from a real camera. You can customize the functions of the dial, including zoom control. There's a small thumb support here, and once you press against it, the grip feels even more stable. The handling becomes very camera-like. Installing the metal shutter button adds a sense of ceremony. You simply press it to take a photo, and the phone gives off a subtle vibration, just like pressing a real camera shutter. Zooming is handled through the dial, and you can actually feel each step as you zoom in or out. The movement is smooth and segmented, closely matching the experience of using a traditional camera lens. You can also tap to start recording video instantly. Everything about the operation feels camera-focused. You can comfortably use it with one hand, including adjusting EV directly with the dial to control overall brightness as well as tweaking ISO. The materials feel very similar to what you'd find on an actual camera, and the overall operation strongly reflects that. When you compare the dials and buttons to a camera's shutter and zoom controls, the resemblance is striking. Even the additional buttons feel familiar. In many ways, this is a camera hidden inside a phone. The grip has its own charging port, and removing it is simple. Just flip the switch, unplug it, and you're back to using the phone normally. When you're ready to shoot again, you can quickly reattach and lock it in place. Once you switch to camera mode, the entire setup, from the physical buttons to the on-screen interface, looks and feels like a camera. The tactile feedback of the dials shows that this isn't just a visual imitation. The software is well optimized too, with support for Leica filters, which is a big plus. For photography enthusiasts who don't always want to carry a full-size camera, a professional grip like this is absolutely worth considering.